Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So today students we will discuss the next one chapter, that is Microsoft PowerPoint. So what are the steps? You have to click on the start button. After that here I have written Microsoft, and here Microsoft PowerPoint is this Microsoft PowerPoint 2010. I have to click here. This one screen appears in front of you. Now let me tell you that what is Microsoft PowerPoint. It is a powerful presentation tool, and it helps us to communicate our ideas or views using diagram, photos, charts, sounds, etc. So now here first what we will do, we will create a table. So, what are the first steps for creating a table? You have to click on the new slide button here. You have to click on it. You can see this one option, and here you will select title and content option. You can see here there is a different types of options. So here we will select insert table. Whenever we are clicking on it, it will show a message how many number of column you want and how many number of rows you want. So we want 5 column and 4 rows, and we are clicking on OK option. You can see automatically your table will be present in front of your screen. So now students, I will tell you that one more thing. The next thing is how you can enter a data in your table. So here I will write one thing. Suppose here I have written student name. So for moving to the next one, so on your keyboard there is a, I will open on screen keyboard. So it is easy for you. So you can see this. This is a one on screen keyboard, so it is easy for you all. So whenever I have written here, so whenever I want to move to the next one column or row, I will click on the tab option. You can see this one, my cursor will appear in the next one option, sorry, next one box. So in this way you can fill a data in this. So the next thing is, now we will discuss that how you can edit a data in a table. So first, what we will do, whenever I want to do the changes in my this name, so what I will do, I will double click on it whenever I am clicking on it, and it is now active. Now I will change the name this. So the next thing is that how we can insert more rows. Suppose this one I want more rows and column. After this I want more column. So what I will do? So here I will click on the insert option. You can see insert option. So after clicking on it, you can see different options here. So rather than this, if I will tell you the simple thing here. I will right click, and there is an option insert. I will click on it. There is option insert rows above, insert rows below, insert column left, or insert column right. We can choose any one option. Is if I will choose insert row below. Whenever I have chosen below, so one more row is added here. So if I want to add a row above, so I have to click above. One more row has added. So in this way you can insert a row or column by using insert option. First you have to right click on it. So now the next thing, how you can apply a different color to the border. These are the borders. So how you can apply a different border color to the table? So here what you will do, you have to right click on it, double right click on the borders. You have to select it. Whenever you select it, then you have to right click on it, and you see different types of options are there. So from here you also see this one option. Otherwise you have to click on the home button, and after that you will click on the different options. You can see here these are the different options. From here you can use the shape fill option. You click on it and you will choose any color. You can see the changes that should be made in the table. So in this way you can add anything in your table. Clear? So the next thing is how you can delete a row. Suppose I want to delete this one row. What I will do, first you have to click on the layout option. You can click on it and delete option. Delete column, delete row, delete table, delete column. See, my all columns are deleted. In this way you can enter or delete a data. So now students, we will discuss about the different tools. Now we will discuss the different tools of the table. So what are the different tools? We are having different design of the table. How we can see that? We can see only it whenever we are, you can see here upside. Here are some options. After view, there is a no option. So if I am double clicking on my table, you can see design and layout. These two options are now available. So whenever I am clicking on the design option, you can see whenever I am clicking on each and every option, my table will be changed. The color of my table is also changing. So from here, you can give the shading to your table. You have to select your full table. You had selected it. So now you can see here design. I choose a different design from here. See on the back side my color of the table should be changing. So here you will give the shading. You can give the shading to each and every column. After that border. Which border did you want? All border. This should be a particular. If I will select the whole now. If I will select this one, suppose I had selected this one, and if I am this one column or row, so it will give a particular only a all border, outside border, inside border, whatever the border did you like na, you can use it. So here I have selected all border, here all border, yes. So now I also want to give some good effect. You can see the different changes. So now the next thing we have to apply in this one column. So we will change the shading, yellow color, border, which border I want, all border, then effect, which effect I want to give. I use a reflection, this one. You can see in my this one option, the reflection ad should be there. So these are the different options. How we can see that? First, you can notice in the view tab. After view, there is nothing. Whenever I am double clicking on my table, these options are available. So now, whatever the changes you want to do in your table, how you can do it, you have to double click. It means that you have to select your table. And here you can see these are the different themes. You can choose any color to anything. Suppose I had selected, first I have to select this one. Menu select kita. So what I will do, if I want to change the color, you can see the color of my word should